Jamaican pineapple bulla in my kitchen. Doesn't get any better. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a requested recipe. I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican pineapple bulla in your kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Let's get started now.
Jamaican, here comes the old boy Jamaican.
Now let's talk about all the ingredients and what you're going to need to make up this fast and easy Jamaican pineapple bulla in your kitchen. Alright, let's talk about the flour. You need all-purpose flour. You're going to need brown sugar. Do not use granulated sugar for this recipe. Only brown sugar. You're going to need wheat flour. You're going to need pineapple juice, of course, because the pineapple bulla you make. You're also going to need some pureed pineapple right here. So you're going to get your pineapple. You either could put it in your chopper or you could put it in your blender, but don't let it all come out like juice. You need to get that pineapple chunks in it. Alright? So that's what you're going to need. Alright, you're going to need your ginger, grated ginger. You're going to need vegetable shortening. Also baking powder, salt, cinnamon powder and nutmeg. You're going to need that. You're also going to need some vanilla, and of course you're going to need molasses, right? So now this is all it takes to make Jamaican pineapple bulla in your kitchen. Come on and let's get all these ingredients together now. All your ingredients will be listed down below. You're going to need your whole wheat flour, 100% whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, and your vegetable shortening. Baking powder goes in, salt, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg. Now with clean hands, you wanna get this together. What you're doing here is crumbling your vegetable shortening in with the flour and everything else that you added in here. You want to crumble it up and so it becomes nice and flaky. Okay, now when you get that good fat all out in that flour, spread it out nice and evenly. Now it's time for you to go ahead, add your pineapple in and the ginger, and just do the same thing. Okay guys, now that you have your mixture looking like that, now it's time to go ahead and add your sugar in. And you want to work that sugar right in. And guys, you're not trying to make a dough, you just want that mixture to still look flaky, just like that. So now we're going to go ahead and set this aside. Okay guys, we are moving on to the next step into making our pineapple bulla. So now I have my pineapple juice there, and all I'm going to do is add my molasses in. And once again guys, your ingredients for this recipe will be listed down below. Then I'm going to add my vanilla. And you're just going to mix this in. And we move on to the next step. Okay guys, we are moving on to our next step. I have my dry ingredients right here. And all I'm going to do is make a little hole in the middle right there. And pour my wet ingredients right in at the center. And now we just want to fold that in with clean hands, of course. And this is how your mixture should be looking. Now guys, if your mixture looks like a dough, you're doing something wrong. Your bulla is going to be tough. You want some nice moist bulla, so this is how your mixture should be looking. So now let's move on to the next step and get this dough formed. Now guys, we're moving on to our next step. On your clean surface, you want to go ahead and put your flour on top of that. And then you pour your mixture out. Now you want to go ahead and put more flour on top of that dough. And you want to put enough flour, okay? Because you're trying to get this dough formed. Okay guys, so this looks pretty good. As you can see, it's not sticking anymore and it's formed just the way that I want it. I'm just going to go ahead again. I'm just going to go ahead and add some more flour because now it's time to make these bulla. So we get that down there. Add some more flour on top of that and just press it in. Where the top is nice and smooth. Now you're going to get that rolling pin, put a little flour on it, and start rolling that bulla out. And that's exactly how I want it to be. Nice and smooth on top, just like that. Okay guys, you want to get your parchment paper and you want to just put a little bit of EVO or cooking oil or butter or margarine on top because you don't want your bulla to stick. Now guys, my Jamaican pineapple bulla is all done, and as soon as them bulla come out the oven, you want to get some more melted butter and just lay it on top of those bulla when they're nice and hot. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Fast, easy, and simple. Jamaican pineapple bulla in my kitchen doesn't get any better than this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up now man. Let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.